In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send a seller's property disclosure in DocuSign. To get started, log into your DocuSign account and click Start. This is the quickest way to begin creating a new transaction. Once the menu appears, choose Envelope. In DocuSign, an envelope is the container that holds your document, recipients, and all the signing instructions, so this is where the process begins. After that, select Get Signatures. This option is what you'll use when you need someone to review, complete, and sign a document electronically. From there, upload the seller's property disclosure you want the seller to fill out and sign. Make sure you're uploading the correct version of the disclosure before moving forward, since this is the document your recipients will receive. Next, add the seller as a recipient by entering their name and email address. Be careful here, because the recipient details need to be accurate so the document is delivered to the right person. If anyone else also needs to review or sign the disclosure, go ahead and add those additional recipients as well. This could include other parties involved in the transaction, depending on your workflow. Once all recipients have been added, click Next to open the document preparation screen. This is the area where you'll place the fields your recipients need to complete. Add the required fields to the disclosure, such as text fields, checkboxes, signature fields, and the date signed field. Take your time during this part, because clear and properly placed fields make the signing experience much smoother for everyone involved. As you add each field, make sure it is assigned to the correct recipient. This is especially important when more than one person is involved, since DocuSign needs to know exactly who is responsible for each section of the form. A quick double check here can help prevent confusion, missed signatures, or incomplete forms later on. Before sending the disclosure, review everything carefully. Check the document itself, confirm the recipients, verify the signing order if one is being used, and make sure all fields are in the right places. This final review helps ensure the disclosure goes out correctly the first time and reduces the chance of delays. When everything looks good, click Send. DocuSign will then deliver the seller's property disclosure to the recipients so they can review, complete, and sign it electronically. That's all it takes to send a seller's property disclosure in DocuSign. Thanks for watching.